The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is here, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. A machine built for those who crave speed, precision, and an unmatched riding experience, this superbike takes everything Aprilia has perfected over the years and pushes it even further. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a rider who demands the very best on the road, the RSV4 delivers in ways that will leave you speechless. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the RSV4 demands attention. Its aggressive design, aerodynamically sculpted bodywork, and razor-sharp lines make it clear that this is not just another superbike, it's a masterpiece of engineering. The front fascia, with its sleek LED headlights and integrated winglets, gives it a menacing look, hinting at the sheer performance that lies beneath. Every curve and contour serves a purpose, maximizing downforce, reducing drag, and ensuring optimal stability at high speeds. Fire up the engine, and the symphony begins. The 1099cc V4 roars to life with a deep, throaty growl that sends shivers down your spine. Aprilia has fine-tuned this beast to produce even more power, now pushing well over 217 horsepower. But it's not just about raw numbers, it's about how that power is delivered. The throttle response is razor-sharp, acceleration is instantaneous, and the way the RSV4 pulls through the rev range is simply intoxicating. Every twist of the wrist translates to a surge of speed, pinning you to the seat as the world blurs around you. Handling has always been an Aprilia hallmark, and the 2025 RSV4 takes it to the next level. The lightweight aluminum chassis, combined with an updated suspension system, ensures precise control and effortless cornering. Whether you're attacking tight bends or pushing the limits on a straight, the bike remains composed, responsive, and planted. The Öhlins semi-active suspension adapts in real time, reading the road surface and adjusting accordingly to give you the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Then there's the electronics package, arguably one of the most advanced in the superbike world. Aprilia's latest APRC system includes traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking management, and multiple riding modes. Everything is customizable, allowing riders to tailor the bike to their exact preferences. The updated 6-axis IMU ensures that every electronic aid works seamlessly, providing just the right amount of assistance without dulling the raw riding experience. Braking performance is equally impressive, with Brembo-style McCalipers gripping massive discs to provide exceptional stopping power. The ABS system, optimized for both road and track use, ensures maximum safety without sacrificing performance. Whether you're braking hard into a corner or making quick adjustments mid-ride, the feedback and control are nothing short of exceptional. The cockpit is a blend of high-tech sophistication and rider-focused ergonomics. A new full-color TFT display provides all the necessary information in a crisp, easy-to-read format. It integrates with Aprilia's MIA system, allowing riders to connect their smartphones for navigation, calls, and music. The switchgear is intuitive, making it easy to toggle between modes and settings without distraction. The seat, foot pegs, and handlebars have been slightly adjusted to offer an even more aggressive yet comfortable riding position, ensuring you stay in full control without unnecessary strain. On the road, the RSV4 is an absolute thrill. The combination of power, agility, and cutting-edge technology makes it one of the most exhilarating bikes to ride. Every turn, every acceleration, every downshift feels precise, intentional, and deeply satisfying. And when you take it to the track, that's when the real magic happens. The RSV4 feels like an extension of your body, responding instantly to your inputs and encouraging you to push harder with every lap. Aprilia has once again set the bar high with the 2025 RSV4. It's not just a superbike, it's a statement. A testament to what happens when engineering meets passion, when performance meets precision, and when a brand refuses to settle for anything less than excellence. For riders who demand the absolute best, who live for the thrill of the ride, and who want a machine that delivers on every front, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is the ultimate choice. This is next-level performance. This is the 2025 RSV4. And once you experience it, nothing else will ever feel the same.